Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo. So today we're going to be adding a racetrack to our pit stop garage. You can see this has a lot of room. I'm using Micro Machines cars. You can use Hot Wheels cars. Let's get to building. Alright, so there it is. There's the final build, an oval track. You got your pit lane. You got plenty of cars. You can use Hot Wheels cars. They fit perfectly in this garage. And they fit perfectly on the track. Alright, well, I'll check this next video out. I'll see you there. Thanks, bye.